The last application problem we have here for applying quadratic functions revolves around attendance at movie theaters. The National Association of Theater Owners collected data on the number of movie tickets sold in the U.S. in billions from 2000 through 2005. The data were passed on to a mathematician who converted them into the following function. The function f of x equals negative 3/100 x squared plus 1400 x plus 1.43 models U.S. movie attendance f of x in billions of tickets sold x years after 2000. So the function's value is billions of tickets that were sold, and x represents the years after 2000. So according to this function, how many billions of movie tickets were sold in 2005? So that question, they're wanting us to find the function value, aren't they? Billions of tickets sold is the function value. The x value relates to years, and its x is the years after 2000. So if they want us to figure out how many tickets were sold in 2005, that's 5 years after 2000, isn't it? So we should take the value of 5, put it in place of x into the function. And when we do that, we get a value of 1.38. When we do that arithmetic, we get 1.38. So the function's value is 1.38. But remember what the function's unit of measure is. The function's unit of measure, according to our information, is billions of tickets. So this says that in 2005, according to this model, they sold 1.3 billion tickets. Excuse me, 1.38 billion tickets. So that's how many tickets, according to this model, were sold in 2005. Now, the next question says, according to this function, in which year was movie attendance at a maximum? You say, well, why would it be a maximum? Well, now looking at this quadratic function, the coefficient of the squared term is negative. And remember what that means. When the coefficient of the squared term is negative, your parabola opens down. So at the vertex is the max value of your function. So if we want to figure out what year, the years are related to x. The years are related to x. If we wanted to figure out what year was the maximum number of tickets sold, we would need to find the x value at the vertex. And remember how to find the x value at the vertex? That's minus b over 2a, which in this case is minus 1400 divided by 2 times negative 300. Minus b over 2 times a. And when we do that arithmetic, the answer we get is 2.3. And it said to round that to the nearest year, so that's approximately 2. So x, the x value here of the vertex is approximately 2. X represents the number of years after 2000, so that would say in 2002, the maximum number of movie tickets were sold. And then the final question says, well, what does the function give for the billions of tickets that were sold that year? The billions of tickets that were sold in 2002. Well, the way we can find that is take that x value and evaluate the function at that x value. Because the function's value at the vertex is then going to be the max, and the x value at the vertex is 2. So when we do that arithmetic, the answer we get is the decimal number 1 59/100. But remember, this is the function's value, and the function's unit of measure is billions of tickets. So we would say that 1,590,000,000, if we wanted to look at it that way, 1.59 billion tickets were sold in 2002. And during that time period of 2000 to 2005, that was the maximum number of tickets that were sold per year. Again, we performed this analysis of this quadratic function, thinking about its parabola and its vertex to help us know how to find the solutions to these questions.